Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Julianna. I'm here to film a video for you guys. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the Simply Earth May monthly essential oil recipe box. Today our video is going to be really exciting. What the heck is up with me? I don't even know how to film because I haven't filmed in so long, but the monthly theme for Simply Earth in the month of May is hair care. So we're going to have like oils and recipes tailored towards hair care and like healthy and luscious hair. So I've already like taken a sneak peek of it and I accidentally ripped the box. So let's just go ahead and get started. If you're new, make sure to subscribe down below and let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited. I love hair care. I'm trying to grow my hair, so this is going to be an exciting box. So also, if you guys want to get your first Simply Earth box for a good price, go ahead and order one. Use my code that's listed down below and you can get like a $45 gift card back on your first order to use on future purchases with Simply Earth. And that's exciting because free things are awesome. So you getting free money for Simply Earth is even better. So the first thing that I got was actually a promo for being a subscriber for a while. This is just a card diffuser and it's got like this cute little macrame, and then you just put oils in it and it just is like a little card diffuser. It's so cute. So I got that, and then I got the box. And in the box, it normally comes with recipes, the ingredients to make the recipe, and then the 4 essential oils that you get every month. So this month, we got 4 full-sized oils that are 15 ml. So yeah, and I love Simply Earth unboxings because I can get oils that are like really good for an affordable price, and I'm always getting oils that I've never tried before and that I've never owned. So it's actually really nice to get oils that you've never used before and kind of explore the ways to use that one oil. So we're gonna start with this first oil. This is a B.O.B. Gone blend. This is our blend, and I'm actually really excited to smell this. This has lavender, orange, patchouli, ylang-ylang, and sandalwood in it. So I've heard it's like a really nice floral scent. Oh yeah, that smells really good. I like that. This is going to be a really good oil to diffuse, so I'm really excited to try that. Then we got basil, and basil is not like the best smelling oil, but it is a good scent. And I mean, it's not a good scent, I'm sorry. It's a good oil for like helping with your hair care and stuff. And it shows on the back the ingredients. It shows the origin, the plant part, and the aroma. So the aroma is fresh, woody, and spicy sweet. Origin is from the US. The plant part is the leaves. And then ingredients, don't even know how to pronounce those. Let's open it up. I've had basil before from Young Living. Oh, it smells so bad. It's so potent and I don't like it. But I can smell like the spiciness more than I can smell the sweetness. But that's going to be good for like hair care recipes. And then we got some rosemary. Rosemary is a great essential oil for hair care. It's helpful for growing out your hair. And I've been using rosemary essential oil as a hair mask. I've been taking jojoba oil. Literally my rosemary essential oil is like right here from Young Living. So I got another one now. And right here it says it's from Morocco. The plant part is the leaves. The aroma is herbal and woody. Woody. That's exciting. And this one smells kind of like eucalyptus to me. I don't know. It smells pretty good to me. I like it a lot. And I like the scent of rosemary. It's not a very daunting scent to smell. And then lastly, we got dark patchouli. And I've never tried patchouli before, so I'm really excited to try this oil out. The aroma is earthy and fruity. The origin is Indonesia. The plant part is leaves. So all of these oils, like the single ones, the plant part is from leaves. So that's actually really nice. So this smells okay-ish. I like it, and I think it'd be a nice oil to diffuse with other oils. But I think I can use this for like different recipes as well. And then we get into the recipes and the ingredients for the recipes. So the ingredients that we got this month were cetyl alcohol. We got some cetyl alcohol. We got some emulsifying wax, and then we got some, I think this is, some sunflower seed oil. And then we got all the recipes. We got this little pamphlet right here that I think you get every month. I got the recipe labels, and then you can put these little circle ones on top of your bottles of oils. And then I got all the recipe cards. So we got like a simple scalp scrub. That'll be good because scalp health is very important for growing your hair. Everything starts at the scalp. So a simple scalp scrub has 1 drop of rosemary, 1 drop of patchouli, 3 drops of B.O.B. Gone, and then you'll just need shampoo and sugar. And then we got a Greener Pastures roll-on. We have a Flower Crown diffuser blend, a sunflower heat protector spray, so that'll be good for like with using this oil, and some of the essential oils as well. Then we got Silky Soft Hair Mask, and this is where the emulsifying wax comes in, as well as the cetyl alcohol and the sunflower seed oil. And then we got some Restorative Hair Balm. These are all amazing oils for hair care, and these recipes, I'm definitely going to try them out very soon, so I'll let you guys know how I like them. I'm super excited to try everything in this box, make the recipes and everything. But yeah, so that's everything in this video. Like I said, if you want to try out Simply Earth, go ahead and use my link down below and purchase your first subscription box, and you'll get a $45 gift card back on your first order. I am so excited for this month's box, and I hope you guys will be excited too. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.